What letter is this?
A.
A. Very
Apple.
good. How about this one?
B. Ball.
B. Very good. How about this one?
C. Cat.
Very good. How about this one?
D. Diamond.
Ang galing! D. This one.
E. Egg.
Very
Auntie,
good. E.
egg.
Egg. How about this one?
F. Fish. Fish.
Fish. F.
Swimming, swimming, swimming.
Very good.
F.
How about this one po?
G.
G.
Women.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Green.
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 E.
How about this one po?
H. Hat. Want to
Very.
wear my hat.
You want to wear your hat?
No.
Very good. How about this one po?
Ice cream.
Ang galing.
Want to eat ice cream.
Ice cream na naman. How about this one po?
J. Jelly.
Very
It's
good.
wibble wobble. See? It's wibble wobble.
How about this one po?
K.
K. Stands for?
X-ray.
No. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
How about this one?
A. Lion.
A. Lion.
Lion.
You're
I'm
brave.
brave.
Very good.
I'm brave.
How about this one po?
M.
M.
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good.
I want to see the monkey, Mommy.
Later.
Let's see
Let's go to
the
the
jungle.
zoo. How about this one?
Papa. Mommy, let's go to the jungle. Mommy.
Opo, later. Oh, finish this first. What's this? What letter is this?
N.
N.
Note.
What?
Note.
Ano?
Note.
Okay, basta N. Hindi tayo magkaintindihan. What's this? What letter is this? O. Stands for?
Orange.
Orange.
I want to eat orange.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Pig. Pig. I want to
Pig.
see